Hello friends, another video with messy data in Excel using regex extract regular expressions. And you know, when you are understanding regular expressions, you need to know the pattern of your text. I've got very interesting and very funny data from one of my student, but this is not a real data. This is completely dummy data. We constructed the way we wanted because I've seen the original data. Here the PAN number is kept in separate places, not in a single place. I can't use text to columns. I mean, using flash fill also is not that easy sometimes. And I need to extract only the PAN number out with a single formula. I don't want to write so many formulas. That is the ask. So how to deal with it? When you are using regular expressions, you need to understand one thing, pattern. How the text is behaving. If you give the pattern, the formula will expected way it will work and give you the answer. Let us understand. A PAN number will have first 5 characters are capital alphabets. Then 4 characters numbers, then 1 character again capital alphabets. So if you know that, your job will be easy in this kind of problem. So let us start with. The formula is also very interesting and very easy. Try to understand and attempt it on your data if you have such data. Otherwise, use the same sample data and try it. So I need to start with regular expression. Select the cell. Then let me write the formula. First I need to begin with double quotes because this will be inside the double quotes. First 5 characters are capital alphabet. So A within the square brackets A to Z. Then how many characters? 5, because 5 capital letters will come in the beginning. Then again within the square brackets 0 to 9, because I have 4 numbers which are again 4. 4 will be in the curly brackets. And again within the square brackets A to Z, and the number of characters are 1, and close double quotes, and the job is done. Let us understand this. A to Z 5, 0 to 9 4, A to Z 1. A to Z and 0 to 9 should be in the square brackets. The number of characters like 5, 1, 4, etc. will be in curly braces. 5 characters, that is the starting 5 capital alphabets, 4 numbers and 1 capital alphabet. And the answer is there. And if I just copy paste this formula across, you can see nicely the PAN number only is actually extracted. So I think you should work on this kind of formulas to get a very easy outcome. For such more videos, please keep watching and do subscribe if you have not yet done.